As you can see, there has been a pretty serious accident. Jamie's outside because she called the cops, so she's just waiting to see if they need. Alright, so fire truck just left.
Look at him, he's heading for that small moon.
I think I can get him before he gets there. He's almost in range.
That's no moon. It's a space station.
It's too big to be a space station.
There's a very bad feeling about this.
All right, hey, morning everyone. As you can see, there has been a pretty serious accident. Don't know what time it is even. 2:30 in the morning. Sorry, I know it's kind of dark. Let's see if I turn the light on. There you go. Yeah, so someone, looks like somebody, if you guys know where my house is situated, there's no road behind us, right? The road dead ends and there's all those rocks there, okay? Someone drove, I'm gonna go out in the backyard. Someone drove straight into the rocks. Him and a guy and another guy. Definitely some injuries. Both alive. The guy right there is the driver. The guy making all the noise is the passenger. I don't think he had a seatbelt on. He's crumpled on the floor. I think he broke both his legs. At least he's alive, so that's good. Definitely a wild early morning on a Sunday. Woke us up. Go see what Jamie's doing. Right, trying to not just stay over there. The guy in the passenger seat's in the ambulance, and they're stabilizing him so they can take him to the hospital. The driver is pretty okay. Looks like he has a bleeding nose and the airbag. Yeah, so the driver's just sitting on the curb waiting for the cops to get here. So Jamie's outside because she called the cops, so she's just waiting to see if they need any kind of whatever statement from her. I don't think they'll need anything. She just we woke up because it was a huge bang and those rocks didn't move, buddy. They didn't move one bit. So just waiting for the cops to get here to take him, and then I guess a tow truck to get the car, and then get back to sleep. It is early. All right, at this point it's been, I would say, 45 minutes and the police haven't even got here yet. The injured guy left in an ambulance. It's weird how the fire department just has to like sit and watch this guy. This dude could just leave. Obviously if it's his car, they'll know his name and address and all that from the license plate, but like if he's not driving his car, dude could just leave 100% and they'd never know who did this. Wild thinking, right? That is nuts. Oh, here they come. Nope, that's the tow truck. How is the tow truck gonna beat the police? This is out of control. fire truck just left. The tow truck's still here. The police still have not shown up. I don't know. This guy, they said basically that sometimes they don't even show up. That's what the fire truck firefighter said. So the dude's calling for a ride, and the tow truck's gonna tow his car, and then I guess that's it. So what's up then?
I called somebody and they're gonna come pick him up.
They're gonna come pick him up.
Yeah, he had an accident. That's what he told him. Had an accident in my car. Will you please come pick me up?
It's wild. Okay, let's close out this video and go back to bed.
Yeah, good night.
She just said good night. So the tow truck guy, the guy not with the tow truck, but the guy like that was there first from the tow truck company, they're giving him a ride to the hospital, and the tow truck guy's taking the car on the back of the flatbed, and the cops never showed up. So yeah, that's what's going on. Smacked that thing hard. Yeah, look, he barely hit his brakes like right there, and that might be actually from the tow truck. You know? Yeah. So that was an interesting night. Yeah. Don't drink and drive. The police actually never came until, like, I would say 5-ish, 5:30. It was still dark out, but they finally came to the door and just took my information, like my phone number and address and stuff. And they said traffic enforcement may get a hold of me if the injuries or whatever to the passenger and stuff were severe enough. So, yay, a whole bunch of new stuff to clean up over there.
Insane.
Yep, it was a wild night.
There's pieces on the other side of the rocks.
Yeah, the freaking no trespassing sign is like way over here. Yeah, he hit that thing, I would say 50 easy. You know?
Yeah.
So hope they're all right. It was a crazy night.
Yep.
Everybody be safe out there.
Don't drink and drive.
Don't drink and drive. And we'll talk to you guys next time with hopefully a much more happier, uplifting video.
Yes.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.